How to fix COD Modern Warfare 2 Xbox Live Conti join session install error. 1. Reboot your system. 2. Check firewall and antivirus, allow your game's exe file through antivirus and firewall. Reported processes include COD.exe, SP22COD.exe, and Battle.net.exe. 3. Drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Check for Windows updates. 5. Check your internet connection. 6. Download the Arabic language pack. 7. Delete Steam's download. Cache. 8. Delete web browser. Data. 9. Verify game files. 9.1 in Steam, 9.2 in Battle.net app. 10. Check and install all the required boxes, pack-related items, under DLC. Like this. 11. Uninstall then reinstall the game.